Guys, I'm going to go over 5 businesses that will get you to making £100,000 fast and make sense for Muslims. But these aren't the sort of businesses that you guys are hearing about all the time. Amazon FBA, SMMA, these are unique ideas that I know you guys are not coming across on social media. So trust me, watch this until the end. Now this is already where you know this video is going to have a lot of information, a lot of value. So number one, it's the one-man construction company. What do I mean by that? So a one-man construction company, have you guys ever heard of a builder that is not that busy? A good builder, how busy are good builders? Actually very, very, very busy. And so what you need to do is get a builder, and I will tell you exactly where to get a builder from. Don't worry about that. Then you need to get a customer, okay? And you are in essence going to be the middleman. This is one of those businesses where you can make a lot of money because a lot of people need good builders. Like, good builders just don't exist. It's super hard to find. Now, if you can find the right builder, I'm going to tell you exactly where to find the right builder from. If you can get a good builder, customers, how are you going to get those guys? You're going to run ads. You're going to make some calls to possibly estate agents. And trust me, everyone needs a good builder. I need a good builder, right? Everyone needs things done. Where are you going to get these builders from? You're going to go and run ads on Indeed. You can actually run ads on Indeed for £5 or £10 a day. And people don't know this, right? That you can run an ad on Indeed, you register an ad, and you can be like, I'm looking for an electrician, a plumber, a builder, and you will get people coming in, right? You will also go and use things like CV Library. You will use Reed. You use Total Jobs. These are basically things that are called job boards. When you apply for a job, they save your CV. You don't realize this, but the website saves your CV and they allow people like me as a business owner to go and look at your CVs. There's millions and millions of CVs that you can go up and down the database and find the right person. It doesn't really matter because you will find people as long as you use ads on Indeed, you go on the job boards and you find you can definitely get candidates, electricians, plumbers, construction guys. So what you will do now, you've got the customer who needs something done for, let's say, you will quote them £5,000. Let's say he wants a new toilet. You'll say to the builder, mate, I need you to make it. You're going to charge 1,000, 2,000, whatever it is. Now you're going to be thinking, surely they could just do this themselves. Actually, you're wrong. There's a lot of builders, a lot of people, electricians, a lot of plumbers, they can't get the work themselves. They struggle, right? Your job is to get them the work in the middle and then you keep the cut, right? And a lot of the guys that are actively looking for new jobs, right? They don't want to work a job. They're making 30, 40, 50,000 pounds a year. If you can make them 5,000, 6,000 pounds a month, which by the way is 100,000 pounds a year, they will be interested. You get the customer, you give the work to the builder, he gets more money, he makes more money, and then you make the cut. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 pounds for a toilet, for, you know, basic, a lot of the basic things that need to be done in a household can make you a lot of money. Now this is one of those unique business ideas that if you niche down, you can end up making a lot of money. And that is ghostwriting on LinkedIn. See, LinkedIn, as well as Twitter, to be fair, you can bring in a lot of customers for your businesses, as well as, let's say you are selling a product, a service, or just for exposure when it comes to your company, you want to get eyes on your business. Every single person wants attention on their business. And so if you could do ghostwriting for LinkedIn profiles as well as businesses, you can make a lot of money. I started an AI SaaS business last year. So it's been a year. And our main way of getting customers was LinkedIn. Me getting a post down, writing the post, a lot of people would comment, we're interested in your services. And that one business, we ended up getting like 40, 50 customers over the year. Now, some people dropped off and obviously that happens. The point though being is LinkedIn was a big opportunity for us to make a lot of money. So businesses know this. Now, if you go to a business and you say, I'm going to do some ghostwriting LinkedIn stuff for you, I'll tell you exactly how you can make this passive. Think about how much money you can make here. What you're going to do is charge a business, and this, by the way, is absolutely minimum, right? Minimum, you're going to charge them £1,000. And what you're going to say is, every single day, we're going to write a LinkedIn post for you, and we're going to try and get some traffic in. Actually, in 3-4 months down the line, if we can start bringing in 3, 4, 5 customers for you, surely that's going to make you a lot of money, right? And by the way, it makes complete sense for a business owner to use you as a LinkedIn ghostwriter 100%, especially if you can bring them customers. It makes sense, right? So you're going to charge 3 businesses £1,000. You might be like, okay, yeah, fair enough. £3,000, that's not a lot of money. Now, bearing in mind, how much of your time is this actually going to take? It might take half an hour or an hour, and it won't actually take that long, right? Now, you could do this alongside working a job as well. But now what you're also going to do is charge normal people £300 or £400, right? And again, this is totally up to whatever you want to charge. How many people do you know that currently want to focus on their personal brand? How many people want exposure for their personal brand so they can create something in the future? Maybe an e-commerce brand, they want to sell something, whatever it is, right? Personal brands, people want to spend money. And can you get 10 people, right? Can you get 10 people paying you, let's say £400 a month to write some LinkedIn stuff for them? The answer is 100% less. This, by the way, these numbers are not huge numbers. These are super, super safe, and you could charge £2,000, £3,000, £4,000 sometimes for this stuff, right? So here now, if you're making, let's say you get 4 customers paying you £1,000, actually, you're making £4,000 on the B2B side, and then again, you're making £4,000 on the consumer side. But you know what the crazy thing is? You can carry on working your job. You don't actually need to do this for yourself. You can hire someone in Pakistan, South Africa, Philippines, or wherever. You teach them how to write. You get them, are they a good copywriter? Can they do this stuff? If the answer is yes, then this definitely works. You can actually, outsource the work and get someone else to do it. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI can do this. AI can write posts for you. Well, that's where you're wrong. Because when you use AI to write posts for you, and I've done this myself, it doesn't do well on LinkedIn. It doesn't do well on Twitter. When you write it yourself, when you make mistakes, when it's quite evident that a human's written it, the algorithms are structured as such that they just kill off AI written pieces. And so that's where you come in and you can help them make a lot of money. Now, by the way, you can even upsell. Maybe you start making them AI pictures. Maybe you start working on LinkedIn profiles. You start making them look really good. I mean, that's an upsell, right? Maybe it's like, I'm going to help you get a job via LinkedIn, and I'm going to do the banners for you. I'm going to, whatever it is, there's actually upsells that you can do just around LinkedIn. But it shows if you niche down, if you make it quite specific, you can end up making a lot of money. I have to put it in, but you're not ready for what I'm about to tell you, because what I'm going to say is in such a unique way, okay? So AI consultant. However, I know what you're thinking. I'm not good at AI. I don't understand it. Bear with me. You're going to hire someone in Pakistan, in India. It doesn't really matter. They are going to come across as the expert, right? Now, how do you hire someone from Pakistan or India? Get a ad out on Upwork, check on Fiverr, go on Indeed and get ads out, right? When I say ads, it's going to cost you about £5, £10 a day, and you could generally get a lot of really, really good guys to come in from Pakistan, India that are experts when it comes to the AI side. What you're then going to do is you're going to say to businesses, right? You're going to say to businesses as well as normal people, and so you would just say the consumer, and that could just be B2C, right? What you're going to say to businesses and customers is, I've got an AI consultant and we have it where you can book a call with us. The call, you could put it as £100, £150, £200, it doesn't actually matter, right? So it's going to be a £100 call, or it's going to be a £150 call, right? Whatever, you can have it as £500. Honestly, B2B, like businesses will pay £500. And then what you're going to say, you can book a call and our expert will speak to you about your business, so they will understand what your business is doing right now, and then he will advise you, right, on which AI systems or websites or things that they can use to make their processes and improve their productivity. We will have the expert. We're going to get the expert. He will come in. He will do the call for you. You pay us £150 and he will give you advice. He will understand your business and tell you what websites, how to do, what to do, how to make things easier. A 1 hour call. And by the way, if you want, you can have these as a repetitive, a call a week, a call a month. It doesn't really matter, right? Now, would businesses 100%, because the biggest reason businesses are not using AI as much as they want to, they don't understand how to. If they could book a call with a consultant and that consultant explains to them and says, okay, what's your business? What do you do? How do you do it? Etc. Then guess what? You can make a lot of money. These guys, by the way, the AI consultant from Pakistan and India will not cost you more than, let's say even if it costs you £1,000 a month. One of these chaps costs you £1,000. And by the way, that is a good wage, a very good wage, right? Anyone from Pakistan and India, they would know that an AI consultant getting paid £1,000 is a decent amount. They can carry on doing this stuff as well. Then what you're going to say is let's say it's £150 and you do 3 calls a day, right? That works out to be £450 a day. Now you times that by even, let's say 20, let's say we round that up to 500 and you times that by 20, you're looking at £10,000 for if you could do £500 a day over 20 days. And this is just about 3-4 calls a day. So 3 or 4 calls a day, right? for 20 days would make you £10,000 a month. You hire the AI consultant, you go to businesses, this guy will teach you what you want. And normal people would want this service too, because normal people want to understand, how does AI work? Can it help me in my job? Can it help my productivity? Can it help me here? Would normal people pay you £150? The answer is yes. And on top of that, you'll get repetitive business, because a lot of businesses will say, yes, we need a call every week. Or a normal person will say, I need a call every week or once a month. Update me on the new systems. Update me on what else I can use. This is one person, and actually you could get 1 or 2 or 3 people. So you could get 3 people as AI consultants providing calls for businesses, services, normal people. You can actually make a lot of money. And this shows, by the way, the reason I understand this side is because I've been doing my own businesses. I've been running my own companies for the last 8 years. I've been in recruitment, by the way, for the last 13 years. And the only reason I know this information, I know what businesses want, I know how you can implement AI, I understand different parts of the business world, is because I've been doing this myself, right? I come from a space where I know what businesses need. Now, wallahi, when I was doing research for this video, I asked ChatGPT, as you would as well. And these ideas, by the way, I came up with myself. There were several that ChatGPT came and I put a twist on it, and I was like, you know what, that would work and this would work. But I asked ChatGPT, and the one business, wallahi, and this is the evidence that this is what ChatGPT said, the fastest way for you to get to £100,000, number 4, the business model, I said wallahi, was starting your own recruitment consultancy. Because when you start your own recruitment consultancy, what you're basically doing is finding a candidate, supplying them to a company and charging a percentage. And this is how it works. You've got an employee who wants to be paid £50,000 a year. You then charge 15% as a minimum. And by the way, this is the exact same business model I've been doing for the last 8 years. This is what I've been doing, right? And I've been in recruitment for 13 years. I know this works, and I know a lot of people make a lot of money. I've got people in Pakistan making money from, starting their own recruitment company, people in Australia, people in the UK, people in the US. It works. So you get a candidate who's making £50,000 a year, a job in a business, and this guy can be, he could be an engineer, he could be an accountant. It doesn't really matter what he is doing. So, he could be in the healthcare industry. He's on £50,000 a year. The business needs his skill set, right? And so you would charge the business 15% and therefore making you £7,500. ChatGPT agrees with me. I know this works. I've been doing it a long time. I started this business model with my laptop, an internet connection. I started from my living room, and I've been doing it for a long, long time. My best friend, the laziest guy that I know, I helped him start a recruitment company, and he just made his placement within 5 weeks. This works. And starting a recruitment company can make you a lot of money, because if you do this once or twice, a month, then actually you're looking at £7,500 to £15,000 a month. It's hard work in the beginning, but 3-4 months in, you stick out, you can make a lot of money. By the way, I'm going to tell you guys exactly how to start a recruitment company for free over a 2-day free session. Get your details down in the link in the bio. I'll explain exactly how it works from start to end, how to get a client on, exactly what you need to do. But if you're like, you know what, I don't need it. I know this works. I know you do good, and I know you provide good services to your people, then make sure, get your details down in the main page. You can book in a call with one of my consultants and then have a chat with you. And lastly, again, I think this side is just the future, whether you like it or not. And this was, I remember 6-7 years ago when I started making content on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok, people around me, my friends, would be like, man, why are you making content? Like, what's wrong with you? Why are you doing this, right? It was weird. It was odd to make content. And today, it's normal. You have to make content, because if you make content, you get eyes on your businesses. Exposure is everything. Attention is everything. That's how you make money. And so a content agency where you yourself are getting the cameraman, you yourself are getting the editors, you yourself are doing thumbnails. Basically, you need to hire the people, and then you charge, let's say you charge a business, 5,000 or 6,000. And to be honest with you, if you're really good, you honestly can charge 10K and 20K a month, right? Because a lot of people make a lot of money at the back of their content. They honestly do. So if you can get the good cameraman, you can get the editors, you can get the thumbnails, and you say, I will take care of the whole marketing experience. If someone's selling houses, if someone's selling something and you help them get more views and more eyes on their business, and therefore they sell more of their stuff, they're going to pay you £5,000, £6,000, £7,000, £8,000. I'm not talking about a marketing agency. I'm talking about a content agency where you help them get more content out, more eyes on your business, and you put them out everywhere. You can make a lot of money. So hopefully this video was of benefit to you guys. Like, share, and make sure you get this out with your family and friends, because these were 5 of the uniquest ideas, and genuinely ideas that I would do many of these ideas myself. I'm not sharing which ideas that I wouldn't do. Share with your family and friends, like, share. Inshallah, I'll give you more videos which will give you a lot of value coming up.